this part is gonna be the top band.
Okay.
And it is a little big, so
Okay.
we'll come back in. But I'll measure you some measurements before I leave.
Okay.
But this band will come up here on the top. And we'll have, we're gonna print the holes in, and so we'll clear them out.
Yeah.
And so we'll be able to attach,
She's
like,
like, I don't think I'm going to.
Yeah, okay.
The bottom part or no?
yeah, we'll attach the bottom part to it using the, those survivor bracelets that are band, that are the survivor.
Like the paracord?
The paracord. that's what I'm
Paracord,
saying.
okay.
Right, so we'll loop the paracord through it and kind of snap it.
Okay.
And the kids were really,
Tanya, here we go.
Oh, and you are squeezing.
really intent on having it
Pink?
Pink.
Ah.
So we did look at having a compression sleeve to go on so that it would protect her nub, so the rubbing of the plastic
Right.
won't affect her.
Okay.
So it had to be pink. They said it's gotta be pink for Jade.
Fabulous. Look.
But one of the designs,
World's largest snake species.
Oh, neat.
so
So this is like a much smaller.
it'll be much smaller,
And it'll start like here?
and it'll start, yeah, right about here.
Okay.
And so it'll be on.
And look at how hard that is.
Yeah, and so it doesn't break. And what the part tail that comes down is actually articulated. They were really specific, or they wanted to learn how to make it articulate
She says your secret.
so that it would move with her, so she wouldn't have to just drag.
She feels
And it
great.
would be a solid piece, and so it wouldn't be so heavy.
And we'll have like a point at the end?
It will have a little point at the end. We went through several stages in thinking about the shapes, because at first everybody was like, oh, a cylinder, we're gonna use a cylinder, think about the tail. And we looked at the bearded dragon to see how their tail goes. And we always get that at a point, it's not just a solid
Right.
tube. And so there was a lot of that, but then they also thought, well, it can't just be regular plastic, or this hard plastic, it's gotta have some cutesy stuff to it.
Right.
So we have, smaller compression sleeves, and it had to be lavender because lavender is the generic color for cancer survivors.
Oh,
So thought went into this from the kids.
so much thought.
Yes. So that
Tell your
goes over
students
it.
thank you. Oh, that's gonna go over. Oh my.
So I'll go over it. So she can like dress it up a little bit.
So this was made from your 3D
This,
printer?
yes, they designed the this part on Tinkercad, and so they used two different shapes to these, and then they connected them, and then we printed them on our 3D printer.
Hey, this is from Sand Hill Elementary. This is Jennifer Earnest. She is a STEM teacher there, and her students, and even your kindergarten students.
But it was my kindergarten
I've
students'
got this
idea.
idea for Jade's Tale, so stay tuned. Yay!
And they really